change your page color or your document color. You just have to go through file, paste it up, page color right here. You can add anything what you want. You can add black, red, orange. For example, if orange is like this, so set it up to gray, like so. And if you are typing in gray, then make sure to make your font change into white color, maybe, to make it looks more better. So the font right here, to make it look cooler or whatever, like so. See, it looks like a date note. It looks like you're writing on a date note or something. But yeah, that is how you change color.